That was failure. And you have to have the big thing where it goes fail.
So we got in this Tesla Model X and we're doing something really fun with this one. And I had to show you by going to the back. This is what I want to show you guys. I know it looks like there's nothing here, but check this out. Isn't that cool? We are doing a custom sub for this Tesla Model X. It fits right in the back of the Model X in the trunk, so you don't lose any space up top. This is a 12-inch JL audio sub, carpeted up top, and then right here we have black leather. And if you look, do you notice something? We have our logo embossed right in the front. That way you know it's custom made by us. We're in the process of testing out the audio, making sure everything sounds good, everything is in spec. If you guys want to upgrade your audio, let us know, hit us up. Audio is probably one of the most fun mods you can do to a car. It makes driving so much more exciting.
It is dope. So in certain light angles, it looks almost gunmetal, and then you bring outside, it's like bright silver.
See, if you hover over,
yeah,
look how dark it gets, and you go here. There you go. Yep, that's it. I mean, it's like a 30% change.
You guys might remember we did a pre-purchase inspection on this Aston not too long ago. Well, it is back today because the client has bought the car and now we're going to be making it look nice. Right now he's getting a wash, but it's not just getting any regular wash. We're doing an iron decon wash on this. Do you see all this purple lines, mirror marks everywhere? We spray on this really cool solution, and basically what it does is it eats up all the iron contamination that's on the paint. Basically when it reacts to any iron deposits on this, it turns purple. So that's why you see purple everywhere. So we're gonna rinse it all off, and it's gonna really help with the paint, keeping it looking nice and new, and we move on to the next stage. Guys, we got in a load of Brixton wheels here. All Tesla fitment, guys. So we have 3s, S's, and even X's. RF7 in satin black. Let me see what else we got here. R7 in satin anthracite. We have 20s, 22s, so we got a bunch. So if you have a Tesla and you want wheels, hit us up. We're also gonna be doing deals on these. So if you want a set, now's the time. Ooh. So this is Brixton's RF10 wheel, really cool. It's kind of like a 5-spoke design. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then you have these little supporting arches on the ends of it to give it sort of a mesh look, but it does have a cleaner feel to it, I think, because it originally is like a 5-spoke design. Classic satin black finish all the way around this wheel. Brixton branding up top, and here's our clean center cap, and then on the edge there you see RF10. This is a 21-inch wheel. This one actually goes on a Tesla Model S. However, they do have sizes in 20 and 22, so you can get them for a lot of different cars. This is a really good wheel choice if your car has really clean lines and you just kind of want to break that up and give it some more detail. I think this wheel would be a nice choice. Model S is in today, and we are doing a chrome delete on this one. Sean is already in the process of doing it. This is his 4th day.
This is my first day. Started 20 minutes ago.
The wheel tire covers. But I don't know if I got the right size though.
You can go ahead and put them on each time too.
Look at that.
I want that. Wrap in my quarter panels.
Excuse me.
Clearbra is happening right now with this Tesla Model 3. We got that one wheel covered because, you know, dirt. Now that we have this car ready to go, we're actually doing Clearbra on this now. We got done with the Aston Martin. So initially we did a pre-purchase inspection. Soon after that, we wrapped the entire front end in Clearbra. Paint's in pretty good condition already, so we want to keep it looking that way. So we have the whole front end wrapped. So the hood, the fenders, the mirrors, the front bumper, even the headlights here. These are pretty massive. The front windshield is also tinted too. So that's in PhotoSync 70. Really clear, allows you to see in and out, but the best part is heat rejection is going to be on point. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us. Oh my god. Yum 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 yum. Cool. Is it true you don't eat enchiladas?
I do eat enchiladas.
We want to work on your cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to this video and click up here. I have this video that I think you might like. Check it out. I'll see you guys next time. We're installing a train horn right now in our Ford Raptor.
Told you!